In this video, I'm going to show you how to get positioned to make $1,000 paydays. As you can see, I got the TPC hat on, TPC t-shirt. I didn't know my wife was going to do this, but she did it. Put it together for me because she do t-shirts and hats and she do custom work. I'm going to link her down in the description. Thank you, babe. Appreciate you. But to get started at that $1,000 payday level, okay, you're going to click the link down in the description. The first link is going to bring you to a page where I introduce myself. You're going to click the button at the bottom. Then you're going to enter your name and email address. Now, what you got to do is make sure you confirm your email address. Because once you confirm it, then you're going to be brought to this page. Watch the 4-minute video and make sure you watch it all the way through. Then you want to call the call center. Now, you can call me and talk to me if you like to, or you can go ahead and get started, or you can call the call center. It's completely up to you. Now, we do make 100% commissions when we close our own sales. But if you use the call center, you're going to make 80%. So at the G1000 level, close your own sales, you get paid $1,000. Use the call center, you would get $800. And $200 goes to Exitus Elite. But I consider it a win-win because I did less than 80% of the work, but I get 80% of the commission. And Paul Stevenson, when he first said it, he stated he was going to do 50-50, but he always looks at what's best for the member, and he decided to raise it to 80%. And that's the type of owner we have. So you can read through all this information if you like, but I'm going to go through and show you how to get positioned at the G1000. To get positioned at the G1000, okay, you're going to pay the $299 fee that goes to Exitus Elite. That gives you the selling rights, that gives you the back office access, some additional training from the system itself. Then you're going to buy the training at the $1,000 level, okay? Then I'll activate your back office, and then you are in position to earn $1,000 payday. So let me jump inside and show you what you get at the $1,000 level. G100, G250, G500 comes with it because you join a G1000 level, all the lower levels come with it. So you got audio and video. You got a couple of audio courses to listen to in your car, while you're washing dishes, while you folding clothes. You know, if you got noise canceling, what they call them, headphones, while you cutting your grass. I have did that before. Now, it's not perfect, but you can get your skills built up. You can get your audio information in, right? And you also have the video courses. Now, the video has 19 courses that would teach you communication, employee development, just to name some. 19 videos where you can sit down and you can learn from, build your skill, get access to some tools and some ideas. And later, if you want to upgrade to the G2000, remember you're only going to pay the difference. So you don't have to buy the whole thing. You don't have to pay $399, then pay another $2,000. You pay the difference from level to level, okay? You're going to pay $100 to admin fee. You're going to pay another $1,000 to position yourself at the G2000. And now you have everything, all the training, all the audio courses, all the video courses. So you can take your time, go one by one through all the courses, okay? Once you listen to it again and again. I like to say that because think of a song you know right now, your favorite song right now. You can listen to it without the music even being playing. You know, when the beat drops, you know, when the riffs come in, when the ad-lib come in, you like to sing you know, when your favorite part come on, when you look around and make sure nobody, you in your car, you look left, look right, and nobody around, and you get in your car, start singing. You know, we all do that. We all do that, right? You got some people, they don't care. They jamming in their car. You see them in their car singing and everything. They look at you. Keep going, you know what I mean? So let me give you some marketing ideas. Personally, I like YouTube, of course. I like video. I think it's the absolute best way. People can see your voice. People can see your face, hear your voice, know that you're a real person. So if they jump on a phone call with you, they hear that voice. Okay, if they jump on a video call with you, they hear the voice and see the face, right? If you're the type of person, you don't want to be seen, you want to be private, call center. That's what the call center is there for. Help you close sales. Just understand the trade-off. 100% commission, closing your own sale, 80% commission, using a call center. Either way it goes, you're still winning, okay? At the G2000, that's $1,600 that you're making. And I like to think of it like this. As I'm doing this video right now, there's going to be somebody who says, I don't want to talk to Mike. I'm gonna call the call center, right? Because that's the company itself. They probably can answer questions that Mike can't answer. Let me just call the call center. Let me see what this system is gonna do for me with my prospects. Okay, so they call the call center, get signed up at the G1000. Boom, I made $800. Now they're in position. Now they see, okay, I can just do videos. I can do posting, telling my story, what brought my attention, what caught my attention with Exitus Elite. I can use offline marketing strategies, a couple of strategies that I'm looking at now. This is one thing that upset me. I was using this company that had $100 bill drop cards, and I ordered some, and I never got it. The website's still up, and I was using them for a while. Actually, they had an affiliate program, so I actually made some money from them also. Matter of fact, I still got money sitting back there I got to claim. I don't even know if they're in operation no more because I never got it. I was upset. I did a chargeback because I paid for the cards, and now I need to find another company so I can purchase them through. So, but then you do card magnets. You can put a card magnet on the side of your card. Driving around, put a QR code put the link and put a QR code on there. So yeah, you're not supposed to be using your phone while you're driving. I understand that, but at a stoplight, somebody might click, and right there on their phone, they can go ahead and get some information. Might be a couple driving. The person who in the passenger seat can get the information. You driving around the stores, you going to work. People always got their phones. Right there, they can do the thing. Also on the $100 bill drop cards, same thing. Put the QR code on it. Boom, they want the information right there. There's people always looking to make additional money. Okay? Even though I understand that you got people that's online who's in the industry, they understand everything. You ain't got to explain nothing, right? But here's a concept I want you to think about. There's people that's on the street who may not necessarily be looking for Exitus Elite, but they're looking for a way to make additional money. Okay? They look on your card, and for example, my message might say how to earn $100 paydays. They the QR code, and then they learn, well, $100 is a start. You pay $49 for the admin and pay $100 to the Exitus Elite package, and now I can make $100 per sale. I could potentially make multiple $100 a day, drop cards, doing videos, card magnet on the side. There's multiple ways of doing it. I even thought, which I'm not going to do this because I live in a subdivision and the street I'm on ain't that busy, a yard sign. Right? But we got people who walk in the neighborhood. Yard sign. There's another idea I had. I don't know. I know at racetrack they have a billboard. I don't know if it's still like that today, because I haven't did it in a long time. They had a billboard where you can put, where local businesses can put their information on. Right? You can put your $100 bill drop card there. If someone's seeing a $100 bill on there, that's gonna catch their attention more than any other business card. Or if you have a business card that look like money, put it on the back. That's going to catch their attention more than anything. Think about it. $100 bill drop card. How to earn $100 bill paydays. $100 paydays. That matches. Then they get on here and see, okay, so, drop these drop cards. I use the card sign. I just find people to get to the website. The presentation is done for me. There's a call center that will close my sales, and I can at least make $80. And all I did was just drop some cards, right? Just the concept. But we're going to be honest. When you're talking about the G1000 and that G2000 level, that's a different type of trust that has to be built. People want to know who they're working with. What am I going to get if I join you? What's the benefit of joining you? That's why I have team bonuses that I give, right? At every level, I like to give away a t-shirt. Not this one. It's another one I have, and I might show that in another video, but I also like to give away a promotional pack. It's an EEAI promotional pack. You got 10 prompts that you can use to help promote your business, to help you get seen and get heard. I got some bonuses I'm going to share with you that I got from my sponsor. That's at any level. Now, when we get into the G1000, G2000 level, that's when I'm going to get traffic and I'm going to run it to your system so you can see how the back office works. You can see the notifications coming in. How it works when you get a lead, it shows you. It shows you when they confirm the email address. It shows you how much of the presentation they watch. It shows you if they open up the email. It shows you everything. So you're going to see how that works. And you're also going to get entered into a team private chat that we have with other G1000, G2000 members. So you're going to get entered into a small community. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the t-shirt. So when I was thinking about the idea, what do I want to put on these t-shirts? What do people do? They bet on themselves. So I bet on me. I like that message. If you're ready to take a deeper dive and really see everything on this page, watch the video, I want you to click the link down in the description. Let me introduce myself, enter your name and email address, confirm your email, and then watch the 4-minute presentation. Either contact me or call the call center. It's completely up to you. And get positioned at the level you want to get positioned at. You know what you want to earn per sale. But one thing I would say, and I always like to say this, you have the potential to make a life-changing income, but at least get started at the G100 level, $149. And you are positioned for $100 commission. Slowly work your way to that $2,000. You only pay the difference from level to level. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Michael Petty, and I'll talk to you soon.